The 2026 Ford F-150 Raptor stands as a bold evolution of Ford's legendary performance truck, blending rugged strength with modern sophistication. As you walk toward the front, the massive blacked-out grille proudly displays the bold Ford lettering, flanked by sleeker, sharper LED headlights that give it an aggressive new stance. Below, the billet steel bumper integrates forged tow hooks and a pronounced skid plate, signaling its off-road readiness. Every step closer reveals the elevated suspension, sitting on advanced Fox dual live valve shocks that adjust in real time for the terrain beneath, ready to conquer both wild trails and smooth asphalt. Circling around to the side and rear, the Raptor's muscular fender flares and bold wheel arches frame massive 37-inch BFGoodrich all-terrain tires on the Raptor R, emphasizing both capability and presence. At the back, redesigned LED taillights glow with a distinctive signature, while the tailgate incorporates an integrated step for easier access to the bed. The overall look is one of power and precision, where every line serves a purpose, and every detail feels engineered for adventure. Step inside, and the cabin greets you with a perfect balance of utility and luxury. A wide 12-inch digital instrument cluster sits alongside a matching 12-inch touchscreen, displaying Raptor-specific performance graphics. Standard tech includes wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, a Wi-Fi hotspot, and even trail mapping for off-road exploration. A premium Bang & Olufsen audio system fills the cabin with crisp sound, while Ford's Pro Power onboard turns the truck into a mobile generator perfect for work sites or weekend escapes. Under the hood, the standard 3.5-liter EcoBoost twin-turbo V6 delivers around 450 horsepower and 510 lb-ft of torque, paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission and full-time 4WD. For thrill seekers, the Raptor R houses a supercharged 5.2-liter V8, borrowed from the Mustang GT500, pushing over 700 horsepower and 640 lb-ft of torque, turning this pickup into a true supertruck. Despite its raw power, the Raptor is loaded with safety and control. Ford's Co-Pilot 360 suite brings adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring, lane keeping assist, and emergency braking. A 360-degree camera system aids both parking and navigating tight trails, while terrain management offers 7 drive modes, including trail control and 1-pedal crawl mode, giving drivers unmatched confidence off-road. The 2026 Ford F-150 Raptor isn't just built to get you there, it's built to dominate every mile along the way. From city streets to the wildest terrain, it's the perfect fusion of strength, intelligence, and adrenaline.